Hello everyone, welcome to my channel that is Study with Praveen sir. This is my next video on the series Average. Today we will study on type 8 questions. Let us start. Question number 20. In a calculation, Madhu found that the average of four numbers is 25. And on rechecking, Sanu noticed that a number is 15 is wrongly taken as 51. Find the correct average. So first the general method. Now the total of four numbers is equal to T is equal to A into N. Here A is 25 and N, that is number. There are four numbers. So N is 4, that is 25 into 4, that is equal to 100. The wrong number is 51. That means 51 will be subtracted from total value. That is 100 minus 51, that is equal to 49. The correct number is 15. That means the correct number will be added to 49. That is 15 plus 49, that is equal to 64. So the correct average will be A is equal to T by N. Here T, that is the total value, that is 64, divided by 4. The numbers are 4. That is equal to 16. Now the trick. The total decrease is equal to 51 minus 15, that is equal to 36. So the decrease in average will be A is equal to T by N, that is 36 divided by 4, that is equal to 9. That is the new average is 9 less than the original average. So the new average will be 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. Now the next question on type 8, that is question number 21. Average marks of 4 students is 58. Later on, it is found that marks of one student is misread as 47 instead of 87. Find the correct average. Now the general method. Total marks of 4 students is equal to 58 into 4, that is equal to 232. The wrong number is 47. So 47 will be subtracted from total marks, that is 232 minus 47, that is equal to 185. Now the correct number is 87. So the correct total will be 185 plus 87, that is equal to 272. So the correct average will be A is equal to T by N, that is equal to 272 divided by 4, that is equal to 68. Now the trick. Now look, the total increase is 87 minus 47, that is equal to 40. Because here the wrong number is 47 and the correct number is 87. So the total increase will be 87 minus 47, that is equal to 40. So increase in average will be 40 divided by 4, that is equal to 10. Now the new average will be increased by 10 from original average. So the new average will be original average plus 10. Here original average is 58. So 58 plus 10, that is equal to 68. So if you have any query or doubt, then write on comment section. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.